Hello everyone, we are gonna begin with the new series of the Plus 2 Accountancy from today. In this video, we will learn about the not for profit organization. This is the first chapter of Plus 2 Accountancy. Let's start. The very first thing which we need to know about the meaning of the NPO. NPO is a not for profit organization. There are certain organizations which are founded not to earn profit but to render services to its members and to the public are called not profit organization. एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसका मेन मोटिव प्रॉफिट अर्न करना नहीं, क्या है, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करना, सोशली वेलफेयर करना, सर्विसेज मेंबर्स को देना और पब्लिक को देना, ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करना है जिससे क्या हो, सोशल वेलफेयर हो. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड NPO. A non-profit organization in an organization which is established to meet socially desirable goals and render services to its members without earning a profit from these activities. Examples of the NPOs: schools like libraries, hospitals, sport clubs, professional institutes. Now here is features of the not-for-profit organization. Social organization. These organizations are formed with the social goals such as helping the poor, providing education to needy people. Now next is service motive. These organizations are service provider to its members or to society. Source of finance. The funds are raised through the donations, subscriptions, membership fees for carrying out the various activities of the organization. No profit earning objective. As we know, the primary objective of these organizations is to promote art, science, culture, other activities, performing different activities for the social welfare or render services to among the members or to public. Final accounts. The accounts of the not-for-profit organization does not comprise the trading profit and loss account. Not made. We have prepared receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Now net result is to be declared on the basis of deficit or surplus. Now here is the final account of the NPO. Most of the transaction of the NPO are cash transaction, and they don't need to maintain many books as trading concern. They maintain cash book, maximum number of other books which are required to fulfill the requirement of the organization. In order to prepare the final accounts, usually non-trading concern prepare the following. Receipt and payment account is same as the cash book which we have discussed in +1, or income and expenditure which is to be same as the trading and P&L account, and also the balance sheet. Receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is used for clubs and societies to record receipt and payments of the money in the cash book. At the end society financial year, the entries in the cash book are summarized enter the receipt and payment account. Now we have seen receipt and payment account is based on the cash book. Now format is here. अगर डेबिट बैलेंस गिवन है टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन, अगर नेगेटिव बैलेंस गिवन है बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. इसमें टू थिंग्स है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज अ रिसीप्ट साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड इज पेमेंट साइड. Left hand side is a cash inflow and right hand side is cash outflow. How? Cash inflow means income. Income means receipt. There are two types of receipts: revenue receipt and capital receipt. Revenue receipt recurring in nature, daily to daily, जो लाइक स्मॉल अमाउंट की कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन है, डोनेशन है, इंटरेस्ट फीस एट्सेट्रा. और कैपिटल रिसीप्ट एंड दैट इज आर नॉट रिकरिंग नेचर, बिग अमाउंट लाइक मेंबरशिप फीस, एंडोमेंट फंड, लेगेसी एट्सेट्रा. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कैश आउटफ्लो. कैश आउटफ्लो मीन्स गोज आउट. एक्सपेंडिचर, किस तरह की पेमेंट कर रहे हैं, रिवेन्यू पेमेंट कर रहे हैं, कैपिटल पेमेंट कर रहे हैं. रिवेन्यू नेचर की जो पेमेंट है रिकरिंग नेचर की होगी, स्मॉल अमाउंट होगी लाइक सैलरी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, प्रिंटिंग, स्टेशनरी एट्सेट्रा. और नॉन रिकरिंग नेचर की होगी जो कैपिटल पेमेंट है, बिग अमाउंट की लाइक बिल्डिंग परचेज की, फर्नीचर है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है, कोई बुक्स परचेज की. Now here is back to this point, receipt and payment account. Revenue receipts are debit side, or capital receipts also shown in the debit side, or payments are shown the credit side of the receipt and payment. Okay, now next, balance in figure, you know about this. If credit side is greater than, then show the balance in debit side. If debit side is greater than, they show balance in credit side. Now next is income and expenditure, same as the trading and PL account. Income and expenditure is based on the trading and PL account. Expenditure टू टाइप्स का होता है, रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर, इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर. सेम एक्सपेंडिचर क्या है? एक्सपेंडिचर ऑलवेज एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस आर डेबिट और इनकम एंड गेन्स आर क्रेडिट. कोई भी रेवेन्यू पेमेंट होगी तो डेबिट साइड शो करेंगे, अगर कोई रिसिप्ट होगी तो क्रेडिट साइड शो करेंगे. लाइक डेप्रिसिएशन, लॉस हुआ है तो डेबिट साइड, प्रॉफिट हो रही है तो क्रेडिट साइड शो करेंगे. इसमें क्या है, अगर हमारा क्रेडिट बैलेंस ग्रेटर देन है तो हमारे पास क्या होगा? सरप्लस होगा. अगर हमारी डेबिट साइड ग्रेटर देन है क्रेडिट साइड, देन हमको क्या होगा? डेफिसिट होगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट हियर इज अ बैलेंस शीट. बैलेंस शीट एज एट लायबिलिटीज और एसेट्स, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट, कैपिटल रिसीप्ट, कैपिटल फंड. सेम सरप्लस ऐड करेंगे, डेफिसिट माइनस. इधर हमारे पास कैश, बैंक, जो कैपिटल पेमेंट्स होंगी. इफ़ कैपिटल फंड इज नॉट गिवन in this question, then we have to prepare a opening balance sheet based on the opening balances of bank overdraft, capital receipt, cash, बैंक, capital payment, है ना. जो लाइबिलिटी साइड हमारा बैलेंस इन फिगर आएगा वो हमारे लिए क्या होगा? कैपिटल फंड. थैंक यू. दिस आर द बेसिक्स ऑफ द NPOs.